What separates millionaires from the average person? It's not just luck or a high paycheck, it's their money habits. If you want to build wealth and secure your financial future, start adopting these 10 smart money habits of millionaires. Stick around until the end, because habit number 10 is what turns millionaires into billionaires. Habit 1. They pay themselves first. Before spending on anything else, millionaires make sure to pay themselves first. They automatically set aside a percentage of their income for savings and investments. Even Warren Buffett says, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." Pro tip: start by saving at least 20% of your income every month. Habit 2. They live below their means. Contrary to what you might think, many self-made millionaires don't live lavishly. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. The key is spending less than you earn and investing the difference. Pro tip: avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Habit 3. They invest consistently. Millionaires don't just save money, they make their money work for them. They invest in stocks, real estate, and businesses to grow their wealth over time. Pro tip: invest in index funds like the S&P 500 for long-term growth. Habit 4. They avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but millionaires know how to use debt wisely. They avoid high-interest debt like credit cards and focus on good debt that builds wealth, such as real estate loans and business investments. Pro tip: pay off high-interest debt ASAP to avoid losing money on interest. Habit 5. They track their spending. Millionaires know where every dollar goes. They track their spending, budget wisely, and never let money control them. Pro tip: use budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint to monitor your finances. Habit 6. They keep multiple income streams. Quote, "The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. They don't rely on just one paycheck. They have investments, businesses, side hustles, and passive income sources." Pro tip: start a side hustle or invest in income-generating assets. Habit 7. They read and learn continuously. Millionaires never stop learning. They read books on business, investing, and self-improvement to stay ahead. Pro tip: aim to read at least 1 book per month about money and success. Habit 8. They surround themselves with success. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Millionaires surround themselves with successful, motivated, and financially smart individuals. Pro tip: join finance communities, mastermind groups, or networking events. Habit 9. They take calculated risks. They research opportunities, weigh the pros and cons, and take action when the reward outweighs the risk. Pro tip: before any financial move, ask yourself, what's the worst case scenario? Habit 10. They think long-term. Millionaires don't chase quick money. They focus on long-term wealth building. They invest with patience, build assets, and let compounding do the magic. Pro tip: invest early, stay consistent, and let time grow your wealth. Final recap and call to action. Let's recap the 10 smart money habits of millionaires. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Live below your means. 3. Invest consistently. 4. Avoid bad debt. 5. Track spending. 6. Build multiple income streams. 7. Keep learning. 8. Surround yourself with success. 9. Take smart risks. 10. Think long-term. Which one of these habits do you already follow? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money tips. See you in the next video.